Good evening everyone. Myself Syed Disa Hussaini. Here I am to present my artificial intelligence mini project. Mini project topic name is 8 puzzle problem. Here what is 8 puzzle problem? Here 8 puzzle was invented and popularized by Noyes Palmer Chapman in 1870s. Here it is saying that how we should play, how it looks. It is played on 3x3 grid, like 3x3 matrix where 8 blocks are there and 1 block is empty. Here problem formation, as FAFL have 5 tupules, SVTPS and all. Here in this also we have 4 tupules such as state representation, initial state, goal state and operator. State representation is a 3x3 matrix where 9 blocks is there. Here initial state will be given as a question, and the goal state is from initial state we have to reach to goal state. And operator is such as this empty block is there where all the possibilities we can move it. Here we can move it up, down, right and left. Here rules of solving 8 puzzle. The 8 rules of solving 8 puzzle. It can be solved by moving up, down, right, left. The empty space cannot move diagonally and can only take one step at a time. Like empty space can't be moved diagonally and it should take one step at a time. Now how can we solve 8 puzzle using AI techniques? Which all are the AI technique used in solving 8 puzzles? Here we can solve it by without heuristic search and with heuristic search. What is now the question arises, what is heuristic search? Here heuristic search technique is a type of search performed by artificial intelligence AI that looks to find a good solution, not necessarily a perfect one. Here for timing you just see the definition. I will explain heuristic search deeply in upcoming slides. Without heuristic search is uninformed search, or you can say blind search. Here algorithm uses breadth first search algorithm. Here order is in the form of B raised to T, B raised to D, where B is branch and D is depth. Here you can see in this picture how breadth first search algorithm is working. Here is the start node, here is the goal node. From here, from this question we have to reach this, for which we have used breadth first search algorithm. Without heuristic search, we have used breadth first search algorithm. In this, we have to move the empty space from right up and down. Then after moving right up and down, for right again we have to move the right empty space to up, down, right and left. Then again for this up move we have to again move it down and right. For this down move we have to move it again up and left, right. For so we after doing all the procedure we will get the goal node. So from this we can understand that it is a very time consuming. Breadth first search is very time consuming. But we will get the optimal solution. Like we are moving all the states. So by moving all the states we will definitely get the optimal solution. This is about without heuristic search. Now let us see with heuristic search. With heuristic search, it is also known as informed search. In heuristic search, there are a lot of algorithms we can use. Here, best first search algorithm, A-star algorithm, hill climbing algorithm, and many more are there, such as greedy algorithm and genetics algorithm are there. Here, we have to for the given start node, we have to calculate the heuristic value. Heuristic value can be here the heuristic value is 3 for the start node. How can we calculate the heuristic value? The question arises now. Heuristic value can be calculated by comparing the current the state, the block which are you comparing it with the goal state. If the number of here you can see that if we compare this to this, here we can see that 4, 5 and 8, only 4, 5 and 8 are not in their place, correct place. Rest all are in the correct place, such as 1, 2, 3. Here you can say 1, 2, 3. Here you can see 7. 7 is also in correct place. 6 is also in the correct. Only 4, 5 and 8 are not in correct place. So the heuristic value of this first node is 3. Then we have to move this empty space up, down and right. Right. Then after moving, we have to calculate the heuristic value for each. Here the heuristic value is 5. Here is the heuristic value 5. And here the heuristic value is 3. So we will consider this. Then again after this, we will move this up, down, right and left. Then again we will calculate heuristic value. Then again we will consider the less heuristic value. Here you can see we have considered 3. Then again we will calculate, we will move it up, right and left. Then again we will calculate. While calculating, we will get the solution. Here you can say that the heuristic value is will require very less time compared to without heuristic value. But here the problem is that there is no guarantee we will get the optimal solution. But it is definitely that we will get a good solution. Now let us see how 8 puzzle can be work in a programming languages. As we are programmers, let us see in how it will work in programming language. The programming which I have used, language which I have used is Python. Now I will execute my code. I have already executed. I will open and show you my output. Here you can see the output. This program is for breadth first search algorithm, which is without heuristic. Here it is the initial state 1, 2, 3, empty space 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the initial given state, start state. Here we have moved the empty space to up, so that 1 will come down and it will move up. Then we have moved this empty space down. Here you can see the 6 has moved up and empty space is here. Then we have moved it to left, so that 4 will come here and empty space will come into the middle. Then we will find it for each state and we will get the last matrix which you are seeing is our final state. I will show how it is final state. I will show you in my code which I have written already. I will open it with my code. Here in the code you can see I have given source and target. Target is the final state, source is the initial state. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, empty space is given as -1, 6, 7, 8. So here in my command prompt you can see the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, empty space 6, 7, 8. So from the initial state we have reached the final state in my code. Here are some advantages and disadvantages of heuristic search, with heuristic search and without. Here you can see the advantages and disadvantages of using with heuristic search and without heuristic search. It will with heuristic search it will not give optimal solution and time complexity is less. Without heuristic search it will definitely give us an optimal solution and time complexity is more. This was all about my project. Thank you.